In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Let's get started. This error usually appears when your device gets temporarily restricted due to unusual activity or repeated violations. So first thing you want to do is make sure your app is fully updated. To check that, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Running an outdated app can sometimes trigger errors like this. Next, clearing cache. For that, go to Settings, go to General, click on iPhone Storage, find Snapchat, click on Offload app, again click on Offload app to confirm it. Now for the Android device, press and hold on the Snapchat app, click on App Info, select the option Clear Cache, likewise confirm it. With this, your problem might be resolved. Lastly, what you can do is completely delete Snapchat app from your device and then reinstall it. After reinstalling, try logging in. Another useful trick is to log in from a different device or use a web version to access your account. This helps confirm whether the issue is with your device or your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.